Alright everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. We are back for another day of Pillars of Funk Week, hashtag. Alright, we are using ESP today in CK6. Phoenix Artisan, you can see I've scooped, used this quite a bit actually. I like how the label's different. You got lather on your face here, you don't here. It's pretty cool. Matching splash, we are using the Kent Designs Pinecone Hybrid. I fell asleep watching Canadian Mafia last night, so y'all got me for a morning shave. It's going to be quick. I didn't even do a great job with this lather on hydration. I figure if I need to, I will add water in on the shave, because I am getting one of these shaves in every day. Well, didn't do yesterday, but we're doing the best we can, guys. We're doing the best we can. That's all we're working on. So, this is really, I love this handle, guys. Oh man, this is a great scent. If you didn't know, patchouli is like the third note on this. I think it's got like clary sage, lavender. It's definitely what I would call a fall or a winter scent. I wouldn't wear it in the summer just because it just doesn't feel like it would fit right. It's just, that's the way it is. So today we are using the MLS21. I guess it's Maddie Lindholm Shaving. 21 is the year he came up with it. Got a brand new Nacet in here. We're going to give it a go. Like I said, we're going to be fast this morning. Y'all hear that feedback? I used the Gillette he sent me. The blue platinum, silver blue platinum, whatever that one is. That's the first blade I used in it. Okay. There appears to be an ingrown here, but if we open that up, it is not the fault of the razor. Oh yeah. Very excited. Nice. It has a little bit of blade feel. The blade gap's just not huge. Decent amount of blade exposure in my opinion. Which probably allows for the feedback you're getting. Y'all hear that audible feedback? It's nice. But yeah, we're going to give it a go. I was going to do this last night. Fell asleep watching Canadian Mafia. I got a little past Magic Mike taking his beard off. If you guys want to see somebody take a beard off, go watch the Canadian Mafia replay from last night. Magic Mike's going to take off like a month's worth of growth. Yeah, a month's worth of growth. So, entire month of November. He took that shit off last night. On the 1st. So, you know, go check them out. Sorry I fell asleep, guys, if any of the Mafia members are watching the channel. Just couldn't be helped. I probably fell asleep around 10, I'm guessing. Woke up, went to bed. And so we'll try to wake up early enough for a shave video. Very nice. It looks like the Gillette long comb. In my opinion, the head does. Familiar. It's not exactly the same. But that... There we go. Just bringing in the edges just a little, because I think last few times I shaved, there we go. There's that one spot that always takes a little bit more effort. but very nice shave. All right, guys. I think we're pretty much done. Did a wonderful job. Happy with it. We'll pick up through the neck area. All right, we're gonna rinse up and I'm gonna be right back, guys. And we're back, guys. Nice shave, everything feels good. So far, no open wounds. Like I said, it's not bleeding, but you can tell that's a bit of an ingrown there. Followed up with the splash. So we covered 3 of the pillars in 3 videos. Oud, musk, now patchouli. This is really a great scent, guys. And I do know it's available. So, actually I'll go back and tell y'all and put scent notes up. I'll do the editing at lunch today, so it'll come out around like 2 or so Central Time. But yeah, it's a very nice scent. Love the scent, guys. As a matter of fact, Douglas was in the Canadian Mafia show last night. He was supporting our boys in the Canadian Mafia. Sorry. Had to fix that a little. Like I said, just got out of the shower, ran and brushed through my hair, and we turned on the video. So, let's recap. Kent Designs Pinecone Hybrid, man. This is just, I love this handle. Y'all know I'm not a Badger guy, but I do enjoy this Badger knot, which allows me to reach for it a little more than I do some of my other Badgers. It's got a lot of good flow through, which is very important to me. Not super dense. I'm not into those super high density knots. It's just not for me, guys. So thank you for watching. If you enjoyed, thumbs up. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Greatly enjoy you watching. Appreciate it. And comment below if you have any pillars of funk scents that you just can't live without. I would like to know. So y'all have a great day, and I'm off to work.